Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Meg Blush. My name is Muskan for all you guys who are new here. Today's video is a very fun video. I am recreating Alia Bhatt's skincare. So now, I don't know if you guys know this, but Alia Bhatt has a YouTube channel of her own which is called Alia B, and she recently released a skincare video in which she's showing her skincare routine. And I remember watching the video where there were only 200 views on the video, and I was so excited. I got so excited because I had most of the products that she had, and I was like, shit, I am going to recreate this video no matter what. And not only that, I also have the same bag that she had her skincare in, and so I was like, you know what, I am doing this. I am recreating her skincare video. So that's what we're doing today. Alia Bhatt, as we all know, I love. She's so cute, she's so talented. I really love her. I love her work. She's one of my favorite actresses ever, and I'm just so fond of her. And that's all about Alia Bhatt because I know we all love her. And now coming to the video, so of course she did not mention any product names because of course brands should be paying her to use their products, but she did not mention any names. But me being the skincare junkie that I am, I knew what she was using, and whatever products I did not have, I got them delivered. Like, I ordered them and I have most of them. I don't have two products because one is not available anywhere except the US, and right now I couldn't have gotten it so quickly. And the second one is the sunscreen because that sunscreen is out of stock everywhere. I don't know if that happened after Alia's video or if it's just a really great sunscreen, but it's out of stock everywhere. But apart from that, I have almost everything, and also the gold bar that she uses to massage her face with. That machine is worth around 15,000. Again, not available in India, so I did not get one, but I have something else to replace it with. And yeah, now that I've spent an hour on the intro, can we just get started with the video because I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm just gonna play her video right here so that we don't forget any steps. And let's do that.
तो मैं शुरू कर रही हूँ विथ माई स्किन केयर रूटीन, क्योंकि बहुत लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि मैं स्किन के लिए क्या करती हूँ, व्हाट डू आई अप्लाई माई स्किन. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, my skincare routine is one of the most important parts of my life. Let me introduce you to my best friend. This is my skincare kit.
And she has washed her face before doing this, and that's what I did. I washed my face too. I used the Fenty Skin face cleanser
For doing my skincare, क्योंकि मैं अभी सो के उठी हूँ and it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, मैं ये use करने वाली हूँ, which is like this skin like massager, जो ही मॉर्निंग वाला sort of water retention है वो चला जाता है. So this is like a spray which I use just to keep the skin a little bit like damp, and then I do this.
First thing that she just starts using is a face mist and her skin bar. The skin bar that she's using is not available in India. Also, it's really expensive. The face mist that she's using with her skin tool is MAC Fix Plus. I don't know how I feel about that because Fix Plus is a makeup spray. Like, you use it to prime or set your makeup, and I don't know how I feel about starting my skincare routine with a makeup setting spray or a primer spray. So I'm going to use my Chacha Lifestyle face mist. Now, I love this face mist. I'm almost done with it. I really like it. I've been using it every day for a very long time. I really like this face mist in the morning and to refresh my face during the day because it has aloe vera, which is really soothing for my sensitive skin. Also, it has witch hazel, which is great to tone your skin with. So instead of using MAC Fix Plus, and I have MAC Fix Plus, but I don't know how I feel about using it, so I'm going to use my Chacha Lifestyle face mist, and I'm going to use my gua sha. Now, talking about the gua sha, this gua sha is not a normal gua sha. I mean, it's not store bought. I mean, of course you can buy it from the store, but what happens is gua sha is basically a crystal, okay? So when you buy it from a store, it's been sitting in a warehouse doing nothing. Crystals hold energies, and I hope you guys know that. So what happens when you buy it from a store is the gua sha or the crystal that you're buying is basically empty. It's either empty or it's filled with a lot of unwanted energies because it's been sitting in a store. You don't know what people have been doing around it. So it's always better to buy a charged crystal. And my mom is a tarot card reader and she charges crystals. So basically what she does is she heals these guashas, and she charges them with positive energies. You can literally tell her what you want. So in my life, all I want is love and good health. So she charged my guasha with those energies. So whenever I'm using it in my skincare, it is also, you know, a way of manifesting love and health into my life. So I mean, I love that. I'm gonna leave my mom's details in the description box below, so you guys can go check it out. And I think it's a really pure, nice way to manifest what you want in your life into your skincare routine, because I love it. I'm just gonna shake it and spray this on my face. This smells amazing. And now I'm gonna take my guasha and I'm gonna start massaging my face in upward motions, and this is going to help retain water from our face, as Alia B says in her video. And yeah, this is a great way to reduce puffiness. So I'm guessing when she's on set early mornings, her face is puffy, because I mean, of course, actresses don't get enough sleep. Now that I've massaged my face and the face mist is nicely absorbed into my skin and my face is all depuffed and lifted, you guys can tell, but my cheeks are all flushed and lifted, and that's because of the guasha. So this is what my face looks like. Now moving on.
सबसे पहले मैं लगाने वाली हूँ आई क्रीम. Eye cream is very important.
Okay, so for her next step, she's using the Pharmacy Do It All eye cream, and as I said, I could not find it anywhere. I mean, it wasn't available with any of the international makeup stores here, and I had, like, if I wanted to, I had to place an order on Sephora US, and it would take at least a month and a half to reach me. So I decided to skip it, also because I have too many eye creams. So I'm going to use my Glossier Bubble Wrap, which is an eye plus lip plumping cream. So I'm going to use this under my eye. She says that an eye cream is really important, and I agree with her. It's definitely really important.
I'm gonna put this, one of my favorite products. This is like a watermelon glow niacinamide. I can't pronounce this word properly. Niacinamide. Niacinamide basically is amazing.
The next product that she's using is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. I love this. I've been using it for 2 months now and I love it. I like to use it before my makeup because this gives me a very dewy, healthy glow. But she uses it as a serum, which you totally can do because this is, after all, a niacinamide serum. And according to her, niacinamide is amazing, and according to me, it's a must-have ingredient if you have acne-prone skin, if you have texture-prone skin. I love niacinamide in my skincare. So I mean, I'm really happy that she has a niacinamide product in her skincare routine. So I'm going to take 2 pumps and I'm just going to apply this on my face. And you guys are going to see that this gives me a beautiful glow. I mean, it's called Watermelon Glow. Can you guys see that? It is beautiful. I was so happy to see her use this. This is the product that gave me the idea to do this video.
Also, जो भी मैं अपने स्किन पे लगाती हूँ मैं अपने नेक पे भी लगाती हूँ.
Okay, so I forgot to apply it on my neck, so I'm going back in with my niacinamide dew drops and I'm applying it on my neck.
Okay, the next thing I'm going to put are these caffeine solution drops. Okay, it's totally healthy, but I don't think आपको लगाने की जरूरत है. मैं लगाती हूँ क्योंकि under eye again थोड़ा सा puffy लगता है सुबह सुबह.
Next thing that she uses is the Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG. This is basically an under eye serum which is great for dark circles, puffiness, because it has caffeine. Caffeine is really good to, you know, just wake your skin up, just like wake your body up. She's saying that she does not think that you guys need to apply it, which is true. I mean, if you guys are going in with one eye cream, it's enough, or you can just get this serum and just like apply one thing. You don't need to apply 2 under eye products. But because I'm recreating this video, I bought it just to try it out, and I'm applying it under my eye, and I've been using it for a week, and I can tell you that this is great at like depuffing my under eye and making my skin up.
I put moisturizer. Now which one should I use? I think I will use this. तो ये मेरा watermelon juice moisturizer है. मॉइस्चराइजर में उसका बेनिफिट्स मतलब आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड टू सम लाइक एक्सप्लेन दैट टू यू. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हाइड्रेशन.
Okay, so the next step in Alia Bhatt's skincare routine is moisturizer, and she was confused between these two moisturizers. They're both from Glow Recipe, so I'm sensing a pattern here, and I see that she really likes Glow Recipe, and I'm going to start using their products more. So she was confused between these two products. This is their Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. This is slightly thicker. So I suppose she uses this in the night because this is a thicker moisturizer, which is why she did not use this. She used the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is a very lightweight hydrating moisturizer. Also, the packaging is beautiful and the product is also beautiful. It smells like watermelons, but not in an irritating way, but in a nice way. So she uses this, so I'm going to use this too. She says that choosing a moisturizer is very important because it's important for everybody, but she says that it's really important to her because she works in front of a lot of lights and that can cause dryness, which is very true. Even when I'm filming a YouTube video and I'm sitting in front of this huge light that I have in front of me, my skin also gets really dry. So a moisturizer is really important no matter what you're doing. And yeah, that's it for my moisturizer.
And last but not the least, sunscreen. Guys, I can't explain how important sunscreen is. लोग कहते हैं कि मैं सन में तो जा नहीं रहा हूँ, why should I put sunscreen? No, अगर आप अपनी विंडो में भी जा रहे हो, sunscreen लगाना बहुत ज्यादा important है.
So the next step in her routine is sunscreen, and sunscreen is definitely the most important step ever because it's great. It protects you from the harmful rays of the sun. It also protects you from aging. Sunscreen is a really good anti-aging product. एंड शी सेज दैट बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं सन में तो जा नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं धूप में तो जा नहीं रहा हूँ, तो मुझे सनस्क्रीन लगाने की क्या ज़रूरत है. एंड शी सेज कि अगर आप विंडो पे भी जा रहे हो तो आपको सनस्क्रीन लगाने की ज़रूरत है. बट आई थिंक अगर आप विंडो पे नहीं भी जा रहे हो, अगर आप सिर्फ घर पे अपने ब्लैंकेट के अंदर भी बैठे हो तो भी sunscreen is very important. And the sunscreen that she's using is by Innisfree. She's using the water aqua sunscreen something. Again, out of stock everywhere, couldn't find it. So I'm going to use my Super Goop Glow Screen. Honestly, I'm using this because this is the only sunscreen that I have in my studio. Otherwise, normally I like to use the Laneige water sunscreen. It's the yellow one. But I really like this sunscreen. Also, it gives me a very beautiful glow. So I love applying this under my makeup. And she's also getting ready to put on makeup now. So that's what we're also doing. And I think that's it. That's all for our skincare routine, but we're still going to watch the end.
That's it. That was my skincare routine, guys. अभी मैं makeup शुरू करने वाली हूँ. If you liked this video, you know what you need to do. Like, share and subscribe. And I think I would like to say welcome back to myself.
And now I'm going to really talk about one more product that was in her bag but she did not use. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC Glycolic Night Serum. Of course, she did not use it in the day because this is a night serum and this is a very heavy, potent exfoliator. So I'm guessing she uses this in the night, but because it was in her bag, I wanted to just mention it in the video. That's it, guys. That's it. I love how glowy my skin is looking and I love how hydrated my skin feels. Of course, some of her skincare steps were थोड़े उल्टे फुल्टे, like she used eye cream before anything, and for her face mist she used the Fix Plus. It was all very confusing, but I like the end result and I've really enjoyed recreating this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know in the comments if you did. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Miss Meg Blush, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.